Nutrition, nature's medicine, the complete science of chia seeds and their healing power. Introduction. In an age where people chase complicated diets, expensive supplements, and quick fixes, nature stands silently, offering healing solutions in the simplest forms. Health is not built from extraordinary things. It is built from everyday habits, foods, and choices we have forgotten to value. Among the most profound gifts of nature is a tiny seed that ancient cultures revered as runner's food, energy seed, and sacred nourishment. A seed so small that it looks insignificant, yet so powerful that modern science calls it a functional medicine, a nutritional powerhouse, and a therapeutic food. This seed is Chia, Salvia hispanica, and once you understand its biological and medicinal power, you will never look at it the same way again. Chia seeds are proof that healing does not always require medicine. Sometimes it requires better nutrition, better habits, and better alignment with nature. Let us explore the science and healing intelligence of chia seeds. Part 1. What makes chia seeds so special? Chia seeds are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, high-quality plant protein, calcium, magnesium and potassium, polyphenols and antioxidants, amino acids. This composition gives chia seeds unique medicinal effects across digestion, metabolism, inflammation, cardiovascular health, sleep, and overall healing. Part 2. Scientifically proven benefits of chia seeds. 1. Chia seeds and gut health, the foundation of all healing. If you want to change your health, change your gut. Chia seeds are one of the best foods on earth for restoring gut balance. A. High soluble fiber, nourishes microbiome. When soaked, chia forms a gel-like texture due to its soluble fiber content. This gel feeds beneficial gut bacteria and improves microbiome diversity. A healthy microbiome leads to better digestion, stronger immunity, improved mood, better hormonal balance. B. Improves motility and reduces inflammation. Chia reduces gas, bloating, acidity, sluggish digestion, because it acts like a natural prebiotic. 2. Chia seeds and constipation, a natural, gentle solution. Constipation is not a disease. It is a warning sign that your gut lacks water, fiber, lubrication, microbial balance. Chia seeds fix all four. A. Gel-forming soluble fiber softens stool. The gel attracts water. Stool becomes softer, easier movement. B. Insoluble fiber adds bulk triggers intestinal movement, relieving chronic constipation. C. Natural lubrication. Chia's mucilage coats the gut, reducing friction. Unlike laxatives, chia seeds correct the root cause. 3. Chia seeds and insulin resistance, a metabolic game changer. Insulin resistance is the root of type 2 diabetes, obesity, fatty liver, PCOS, high blood pressure. The world is becoming insulin resistant because modern foods cause blood sugar spikes. Chia seeds slow down this process. A. Soluble fiber slows glucose absorption. This reduces post-meal sugar spikes. B. Improves insulin sensitivity. Studies show chia seeds improve metabolic flexibility and glucose handling. C. Reduces appetite and cravings. The gel expands in the stomach, creates fullness, reduces overeating. D. Anti-inflammatory effect, supports insulin function. Chronic inflammation destroys insulin receptors. Chia reduces this. Chia is one of the most powerful natural tools for reversing early insulin resistance. For chia seeds and sleep. A natural nighttime support. Sleep is the foundation of emotional stability, healing, hormonal balance, memory, and cellular repair. Chia seeds contribute to better sleep through A. Tryptophan precursor support. Chia contains amino acids that help produce serotonin, melatonin, deep sleep. B. Stable nighttime blood sugar. Blood sugar crashes at night, cause restless sleep, and waking up at 2 to 3 a.m. Chia prevents these crashes by providing slow-release nutrition. C. Magnesium and omega-3s calm the nervous system, reduces anxiety, stress, and mental overactivity. For people with anxiety-induced insomnia, chia can be helpful. 5. Chia seeds and kidney health. A full, clear explanation, as you requested. Chia seeds support kidney health in early stages, but must be used cautiously in advanced kidney disease. A. Reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Omega-3s and antioxidants protect kidney cells from inflammatory damage. B. Support electrolyte balance. Chia contains potassium and magnesium in natural physiological levels. C. Improves metabolic conditions that damage kidneys. Chia helps reduce blood pressure, improve insulin resistance, lower inflammation. These are the major causes of kidney decline. But chia seeds must be restricted in advanced kidney disease. Avoid chia seeds when CKD stage 4 or 5, dialysis, severe potassium restriction, fluid restrictions, because chia absorbs water and contains moderate potassium. For early-stage kidney stress, chia is very beneficial. 6. Chia seeds and chronic inflammation, reversing the root of disease. Inflammation is the silent force behind diabetes, heart disease, obesity, autoimmune disorders, joint pain, cancer, risk. Chia fights inflammation through omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, reduce inflammatory cytokines, IL-6, TNF-A. Polyphenols and antioxidants, neutralize free radicals. Improved gut lining. Leaky gut is a major cause of inflammation. Chia helps seal the gut barrier. Balanced blood sugar, high glucose, inflammation. Chia stabilizes it. Chia seeds are one of the strongest anti-inflammatory foods available naturally. Part 3. How to use chia seeds safely. The golden rule: always soak chia seeds. Dry chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water. If eaten dry, they may cause choking or digestive discomfort. Best method: 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. Soak for 20-30 minutes, or soak overnight. Daily dosage guidelines. General health: 1 tablespoon soaked chia. Constipation: 1.5 tablespoons soaked chia. Insulin resistance, weight loss: 1 tablespoon before meals. Sleep support: 1 tablespoon soaked chia, 1 hour before bedtime. Early kidney stress: 1 tablespoon, not more. The safety notes. Avoid or limit chia seeds if you have difficulty swallowing, severe fluid restriction, CKD stage 4 to 5, bowel obstruction, severe bloating. Start very slow. Drink adequate water. Powerful conclusion. In a world filled with noise, confusion, and overcomplicated health advice, chia seeds bring us back to a universal truth. Healing is simple when we align with nature. Health is restored when we nourish the gut. Inflammation disappears when we give the body what it was designed for. Chia seeds are a symbol of this truth. Tiny, humble, silent, but incredibly powerful. They soften constipation. They repair the gut. They stabilize blood sugar. They calm the nervous system. They reduce inflammation. They support the kidneys in early stages. They help us sleep deeper, think clearer, and live healthier. We often look for miracles in complicated places. But sometimes the miracle is in a tablespoon of seeds soaked in water. Healing begins when you stop fighting your body and start supporting it. Healing begins when you return to nature's pharmacy. Healing begins when you decide to nourish your inner terrain. Let chia seeds be a reminder that small habits build great health, and small foods can create extraordinary transformation. Holistic Wellness Foundation. Imphal. Healing beyond boundaries.